In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best online case opening gambling sites in 2024. Every single one of these sites have the highest win rates that you're going to find on the internet. They also have the most consistent track record, as well as having verifiable proof that they actually pay out. I would know this for a fact because I have played on every single one of the sites that I'm going to be showing you today. And on top of that, if you guys make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end, I'm going to show you a way that you could significantly increase your sign-on deposit bonuses if you follow some exact specific steps. So we're just going to get right into it, but as always, thank you for watching and I hope that you have a good day. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is either go to the description of this video or go to your web browser of choice and type in Gibby.gg. This is my exclusive site where I have every single one of my casinos listed that I would highly recommend that you guys go ahead and play. All you gotta do is you gotta scroll down and you can check out every single one of them right here. Or if you want to, you could use these buttons right here and select which kind that you want. For today, we're going to be checking out case, so we're going to be checking out these two casinos right here. That we're going to go ahead and check out is going to be Hype Drop. And as you guys can see right here, if you sign up with my exclusive link, you will get 3 free boxes that you don't even have to deposit for and a 5% sign-on deposit bonus. So not a lot of people know this, but when you sign up with an affiliate link, especially one from an influencer like me, you can get crazy high sign-on deposit bonuses that you would not get if you just looked up the site on its own. So if you guys do want to maximize how far your money can go, I would highly recommend signing up with my links. But if you don't want to, you don't want to support the channel, that's perfectly fine. You could just sign up yourself. I got no problems. You're allowed to do whatever you want. Hype Drop is a really great site because they have some of the best cases that I've ever seen. I am a huge fan of the Nike 2024 case. Me personally, I've won quite a bit of really fun stuff in this case. Plus, the nice thing about Hype Drop is, as you can see right here, they are very transparent with what the potential win rate of your stuff could be. The other nice thing about Hype Drop, as you can see on the right here, they actively show you everything that everybody is winning at any given time. So you could see that it's particularly a good time to go ahead and get on and play because you can see if everybody is currently winning or not. Plus, as you guys can see, they have some really great rewards. You could get a GMT Master for about 25k. You get the Topaz Multi-Wheel Supreme. You could get the Melting DOB Sculpture. You could get a Training SS21. You could get the Jordan 1 Retro High Trophies, which is actually a really nice shoe. I want that shoe. You could get the Retro Shattered Back. You could get the Dion Alley Lego Potter set. I really like this case, but there's obviously a lot of other cases that you guys can go ahead and check out. The Frosty Flakes case is also really good. I am a really big fan of rolling for the Sky Wilder 28C right here, as well as the Rays Bugatti Yambi. Also, you guys could win a PlayStation 5 as well as a Jordan 1 Retro UNC. So I don't think there's a good reason why you shouldn't be playing on the Hype Drop today. For the next site I recommend, it is going to be Pack Draw. And the nice thing about Pack Draw is that when you guys go ahead and sign up, it doesn't show it for me right here, but if you guys go ahead and sign up with my link, you would get a 25% sign-on deposit bonus. So I don't know why you guys don't go ahead and sign up, because as you guys can see right here, they have some great cases. They have the Road Rage case, which is a really funny one. You can go ahead and open it and potentially get an Audi, a Mercedes, even a Tesla Model 3. You can get a 2-passenger electric cart. There's so many good things that you guys could be winning if you just hopped on right now today. Plus, they have a lot of other really great cases. I really loved rolling for the Rolex case, as well as the Yacht Party. On top of that, their support is really good. They allow instant cash-ins and instant cash-outs, so there's no good reason not to be going ahead and using Pack Draw today. So that is going to be it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to go ahead and check out all of these sign-on deposit bonuses at Gibby.gg, or just go ahead and look up any of the sites, and if you are already signed up for any of them, go ahead and go to your account settings and go to where it says enter referral code, and go ahead and enter the code Gibby, Gibby, and then once you do that, you'll go ahead and get the exact same reward that I'm showing right here. But with that all being said, guys, we're going to call it right here. But as always, thank you so much for watching and hope that you have a good day.